Hi, my name is Miss Parker, and welcome to the 21-22 school year open house. I am your child's learning strategies teacher. This year, we will be doing a lot in learning strategies, and I want to just make sure that everyone is acclimated to how my class works. I'm going to share my screen and just to make sure that everyone can see the items. If you have not or I have not already signed you up for my remind, you can text this number 81010 and put this message in at 2332 Parker, and you can sign up for my remind. You can sign up for my remind. I also want to show you how to navigate through my classroom. Each week I put on Canvas the assignments and the agenda for the week. So if you're unsure of how to get to it, you just click on the class link and the kids go in the Canvas and click on the dashboard. Then you click on courses, click on first period, whatever period your child is in, and this is the weekly agenda from week 1, week 2, week 3, and this is week 4. So if you click on week 4, it'll show you this week's agenda. So if your child forgets to write down the agenda for the week in their agenda book, they can go home and write it down because the agenda is always online as well. Not only do I put it on the website here, the agenda is also sent via remind. I send it via text. So this is what we're doing this week in class. So if they're absent, if they're unsure, it shows everything we're doing. Another thing you can click on is modules. And when you click on the modules, it'll also show you what this week's vocabulary words are. And this week's vocabulary words, and once you click on the vocabulary words, you will see the words and the definitions. And on Friday, we do an assessment every Friday of these words. So this week's words are mono one, and here are the vocabulary words. There are 10 words each week and the definition. So your child should be able to see those 10 words each week. And we put those words on index cards. So with that being said, parents, if you can donate index cards to our classroom, we are in need of index cards. Index cards, dry erase markers, color pencils, and pencils. Index cards, dry erase markers, color pencils, and pencils. 4 packs of index cards will get your child through the entire year for our supplies. So if you can donate those items, it will be greatly appreciated. Again, I am Ms. Parker, your child's learning strategies teacher. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to contact me via email or through my Remind app. Again, if you have not signed up for Remind, make sure you sign up for my Remind.